Here are 10 Bible scriptures that address the mind. Romans 12:2. Do not conform to the pattern of this world, but be transformed by the renewing of your mind. Then you will be able to test and approve what God's will is, His good, pleasing, and perfect will. Philippians 4:8, NIV. Finally, brothers and sisters, whatever is true, whatever is noble, whatever is right, whatever is pure, whatever is lovely, whatever is admirable, if anything is excellent or praiseworthy, think about such things. Romans 8:6, NIV. The mind governed by the flesh is death, but the mind governed by the Spirit is life and peace. Colossians 3 verse 2, NIV. Set your minds on things above, not on earthly things. 2 Corinthians 10:5, NIV. We demolish arguments and every pretension that sets itself up against the knowledge of God, and we take captive every thought to make it obedient to Christ. Isaiah 26:3, NIV. You will keep in perfect peace those whose minds are steadfast, because they trust in you. 1 Peter 1:13, NIV. Therefore, with minds that are alert and fully sober, set your hope on the grace to be brought to you when Jesus Christ is revealed at His coming. Ephesians 4:23, NIV. To be made new in the attitude of your minds. Proverbs 23:7, NIV. For as he thinks in his heart, so is he. Matthew 22:37, NIV. Jesus replied, Love the Lord your God with all your heart and with all your soul and with all your mind.